Alright, let's be real. How many times have you ever tried taking a prop firm challenge and then suddenly, boom, things start going downhill? Your account gets violated over the smallest mistake and you're barely able to withdraw any profit, and what's worse is some of us can't even reach to that stage. It's not just bad luck, but prop firms are designed to work against traders. Today I'm going to be breaking down all the dirty tactics that these prop firms use to make you lose more money. Plus also I'm going to be sharing a few hacks of how you can actually beat their system. Stick around because by the end of this, you're not going to be looking at prop firms the same way you did before. Let's talk about the biggest scam in the industry. And I'm not saying that all prop firms are outright scams. Their business model is definitely built against you and not for you. Most traders think that prop firms make money when you make money, but that's definitely wrong. They make money when you lose money. The main source of revenue for these firms is not profit splits, it's from you failing their challenges. Think about it. How many traders actually reach to a stage where they're able to withdraw profits? I'll give you a hint, it's ridiculously a small percentage. And the firms know that. That's why all of the rules are set up to make it even more harder on you than it should be. You're playing a game where the house always wins, unless if you know how to beat them at their own game, which we will get into in a minute. Now let's get into the shady tactics that prop firms use to make sure you blow your account. First one is a ridiculous time limit. Ever notice how some prop firms require you to hit a crazy profit target within just 30 days? Because they know forcing traders to rush the process definitely leads to more losses. Second is inconsistent spreads and slippage. This one is definitely sneaky. Some firms widen their spreads and delay your execution when you're floating in profit, making it definitely harder for you to hit your targets. They will never admit it, but so many traders have experienced this. The third part is the weird rule violations. Have you ever had an account that breached a rule that you didn't even realize existed? Some firms use this as an excuse to not pay you out. The fourth point is psychological pressure. They make you pay for challenges over and over to keep you emotionally invested. Once you're desperate to pass, you make stupid decisions. And guess who profits? It's definitely not you and not me. If somehow you manage to pass all of these traps, congratulations. But this is not the last trap. So let's say somehow you beat all of their tricks and actually make some profits. Now comes the fun part, trying to get paid. And here's what happens. Some firms take forever to process a payout and will just find any excuse to deny them. Others straight up ban you for suspicious activity. That's when you request a payout. And then you just have those firms that disappear overnight with everyone's money. The fact is, unless if you're trading with a legit firm, you are playing a risky game. And even then, you need to be really smart about how you trade. So how do you actually win and beat those firms in their own game? Let me tell you. Alright, this is where things get interesting. If you're serious about making real money from prop firms, here's what you need to do. First, you need to pick the right prop firm. Not all prop firms are bad, but look for ones with a solid track record, traders payout, and definitely fair rules. I'll be dropping a list of my favorite prop firms that I like to trade with down in the description. Second is trade like a risk manager, not a gambler. Instead of chasing the profit targets, trade small with controlled positions. The goal is survival first, profit is second. Third is use multiple accounts. Don't rely on just one prop firm. If one prop firm just decides to kick you off, you have other options. Fourth, withdraw fast and often. Once you get funded, your goal is to withdraw your profits as fast as possible. So now you know the truth about prop firms. They are not designed to make you rich, but they're designed to take your money. But if you're smart, patient, and disciplined, you can definitely flip the script and use them as a tool to grow your capital. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment and let me know if you had any bad experiences with any of these prop firms. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, because I've got many trading secrets coming your way. Trade smart, stay sharp. I'll see you in the next one.